this song, so I got you.
Good. When the sun comes up on a sleepy little town down around San Antonio, and the folks are rising for another day round about their home, the people of the town are strange and the proud of where they came. Well, you talk about trying to grow, whoa, whoa, trying to grow. Well, the preacher and the teacher, though they're caution, they are the talk of the town. When the gossip gets to flying, they start lying, and the sun was falling down. They say that the father's insane, and dear Mrs. Perkins again. We're talking about trying to grow, whoa, whoa, trying to grow. But there's every day, there's a new thing a-coming, always more to view. Sheriff and his buddies, the samurai swords, you can't even hear the music outside. And though it's a part of the Lone Star State, the people don't seem to care. They just keep on looking to the east.